Looking for a glass that won't shatter but still looks sleek and stylish? These American-made 6-piece tumblers are exactly what you need. Each cup holds 16 ounces and boasts a crystal-clear design that mimics real glass, thanks to its thick base and smooth top edge. Whether you're pouring soda, lemonade, or iced tea, these cups offer a comfortable drinking experience without the worry of breaking. I switched to these tumblers after my old glassware started shattering, which made washing them a nerve-wracking task, especially since I don't use a dishwasher. The moment I brought these home, I noticed how sturdy and well-made they are. Despite being plastic, they don't feel cheap or flimsy. In fact, guests often assume they're real glass because of the clarity and weight. Plus, my 2 kids have dropped them multiple times on concrete, and only one cup has a small crack that doesn't leak or affect its use. That's durability you can trust. What makes these tumblers stand out is their versatility. They're perfect for everyday family meals, casual outdoor dining, or even a home bar setup. The sleek, straight walls and clear finish blend seamlessly with any decor or occasion. And because they're free of harmful chemicals, you can feel confident serving drinks to your loved ones, indoors or out. If you're tired of fragile glassware and want something that combines style with practicality, this set is worth a look. If that sounds like what you need, try this 6-piece set when you're ready. It's a smart, safe, and stylish upgrade that makes entertaining easier and stress-free. Durable, attractive, and American-made, these tumblers deliver what matters most: peace of mind and everyday convenience.